Top up the screen, guy. Top up the screen, guy. Top up the screen. Top up the screen. Top up the screen. May I ask assistant help? Help donation. May I go Wednesday? Panama. May I help donation? Now my pocket. Yeah. Anybody can willing to help me, Uncle Derrick, please and thanks. Girl come suck off me cocky with a blood clot tongue. Suck out, girl. Are you me a blood clot talk? Are you me a blood clot chat too? I use run old girl me a blood clot talk too. Are you come up with the argument and talk about breed? Are you me a blood clot talk? Oh, you got blood clot to suck out, girl. Are you me a blood clot talk too? I couldn't you me never. Are you me a blood clot talk too? So we got the pussy. Well, suck out girl and gaggle bad girl. Are you me a blood clot talk too? Are you me a refer to blood clot? Suck out and gaggle bad girl. Are you me a blood clot chat too? Come make a black right now to blood clot. Gaggle bad and you shoot no blood clot. You me a blood clot chat too. Well, come people blood clot like come in an argument with people. When people answer the back, no come study. You can't say me a blood clot, so good. Top up the scream guy, top up the scream guy, top up the scream guy. Make them cuss me, Danny, make them cuss me, them can't cuss me. Them can't cuss me because they don't know if you cuss me. Me answer them back. I don't want a moderator, darling. I don't want a moderator. I don't want nobody. I can't keep me moderator. I don't want a moderator. No moderator.
Uncle, morning.
Morning, darling.
How's the morning?
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's it. Yourself Wednesday?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh, me know that person there. I'm a good gifter. Kiki. I ask the moderator. I'm a good gifter that.
True?
Yeah.
Oh, me afraid the moderator then. Me no keep moderator again. Me can't really keep my moderator.
That's true. I'm a good gifter that though. Me know her.
You know, make sense. It don't make sense to have moderator.
Right? And from last night, Coconut want to say, I know.
No, look on the girl no. Look on the girl says, wait until me hold her. Wait till me hold you. Wait till me hold your blood clot. You can't have blood clot, no. You can't even nothing. Come off of this blood clot, but hold your mother. Hold your mother in a blood clot. Come off of the drunk, come off of this blood clot. Come off of this.
But uncle, you don't know if it's a good hole, you will get her a bad hole. You don't ask her first, uncle.
Alright. Me not block her. What you say?
Suppose it's a good hole, uncle. Suppose you want to give her a hug. Remember you have big fan base, you know.
No, but she come in a style and me answer her back. And she what she hold me. She brighty.
No, that's that one there. Like the one I know with fry fish, I email you just mute him. I from last night coconut one tell you I know uncle. You can add her and see what she has say. If she has say nothing but they take her down, but from last night she has sent you gift and one tell you I still. Coconut ice cream.
Hi, good morning, Uncle. And thank you
Morning.
for the add spice. I'm from last night. I want to say I and cannot say I.
So from last night, me see your name.
Yeah, I am actually a huge fan. And sometime in the last year, I did see Derrick on the bus. And I asked him politely for a video and him give it to me. Yeah.
You see that? So nice.
So that's all I wanted to say was I and Uncle hope you enjoy your morning and please don't make nobody draw you out. All right,
Yeah,
bye
man.
everybody. That's all my want to say for our last night.
Thank you.
All right, Mama, take
Yeah.
care.
All right, you can remove me now.
Uncle you gift.
Will do. Will do.
All right. Carry out what are you next? I like you want the space. I like you want the space. I like you want the space.
Top of the scream, guys. Top of the scream. Give him some gift, guys. Guys. So yeah, what's this land?
Thank you, Coconut. Thank
Yeah,
you,
what's
Kay.
that?
Thanks, Onella.
You know about Rosalie and Sesdan.
Uncle, why you not learn if you call the people name good? It's Steph Lan Dan.
Sesdan. Anything. Let me understand it. Let me understand.
Me hear about it. Me hear about it. Me there on the live last night.
And she talk about say she don't know she never hear about she in a dance.
But never hear about Junior yet. Junior just had, from she go up on stage, them just feel said she a star.
Anybody go on stage.
No, but that makes you feel like she a star. See somebody say them love you there, Uncle Annie.
Thank you.
Big up
Thank
yourself,
you.
Annie.
Thank you. God, when I leave, I'm gonna look some.
The same